All right, just a quick video that I wanted to shoot for you guys. Getting a lot of questions in every day. Appreciate your activity so much. Keep them coming. I apologize in advance for delays in responses. Literally, we're talking quadruple digit comments and questions and so forth each month now. So I'm still trying to figure out this social media stuff myself, and I really appreciate you guys as you take this journey with me, because I have a passion for bringing you guys great content. I can't stop thinking about it 24 hours a day. I've had a really amazing day today while thinking about content. In fact, started estate planning stuff, learning a lot with that. I've been studying nonstop as usual, been doing coaching sessions with you guys, and I went and deposited over $20,000 in affiliate income into the bank. Was continuing to strategize on some additional debt weapon acquisition that I've been thinking about. Not quite ready for it, I don't think. Still really in sort of a standby mode. Paid a property off in full, did that in like 6 years, if I'm remembering correctly. Saved decades worth of interest costs on this rental property, and now cash flow at almost $2,000 every single month. Really cool baby steps moving forward. A lot of this stuff doesn't even really seem like baby steps in a way, but it is. It's just getting up, making a few proactive efforts towards this stuff. Look, a will and a trust. I'm turning 40 years old. I had never thought about these things before. So we're all behind in certain areas. That's completely normal. It's just a matter of figuring out what should we be focusing on, right? So that's just an evolution process. And this email today is a question from one of you guys, the viewers, and I wanted to answer this on video so that we can hopefully help a broader audience. But he says, greetings, I subscribed several months ago, thank you, to the YouTube channel because I have found that it piqued my interest. I'm nearly 50 years old and I am a full-time nursing student. My wife brings in about $3,000 a month from her jobs, and we still have 2 out of the 7 kids at home. Wow, big family. My simple question is this: would learning fully about the debt weapons help me and my family? ? Time is not plentiful. I can see that. Due to schoolwork, and before I put forth too much effort, I need to get a straight answer. I think that's fair. Can you suggest the best videos to start with? Or do I need to wait to start moving forward with the program until I get a nursing job? I really do appreciate your time. I appreciate your time too. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna use his first name, Dave. I do like anonymity on these things. So guys, look, I don't think it makes sense for you to sit around trying to obsessively understand the ins and outs of proper banking. You need to spend as little as possible right now. Your problem right now is income. So I think you're on the right track when you say, would my particular specialties be of better value to you once you have your nursing job? Yeah, but that doesn't mean fiscal responsibility isn't immediately required from you. My first thought is you need to plug into Dave Ramsey's information when it comes to being as restricted as you can at the moment, and you need to figure out how to make money fast. $3,000 a month with a family of 4 right now, I think that's tricky to live on. That's not gonna leave you a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'll link in the description of this video a couple of videos regarding ways that we've made money. We're gonna be coming out with more videos just showcasing some of the earnings that we have. Obviously, we're in unique industries, and I think that's where my advice falls short, is I'm not really here to tell you what your income streams should be. You have to uncover your income streams for yourself for what I do best to really benefit and work, right? I take you by the hand once you know what you're ready to do, and I help you get there faster. I don't necessarily help you determine what you want to do. Now we can add to that, right? Where somebody comes to us, they know what they want to do already, and through the coaching relationship, we can help them uncover other things that they want to explore as well, but not starting from the launch pad, okay? People have to already be off the launch pad to some extent with knowing what they want. So come to me when you know what you want, but you also need that $500 per month in average cash flow in order for me to really mathematically serve you very well. And I'm guessing that would be a little tough with $3,000 a month right now. So I would spend as much of your time, as much of your money focused on making more money while being as careful to value your time and money as high as you can at the moment. So if you're spending an hour, you're spending an hour on something that you really believe in. That can be a little bit tough. It can be a little bit tough, I will admit. I I had to spend an entire year on YouTube before I really saw one monetary benefit, one monetary activity at all. And so it's tough to really know for sure. There are risks you're gonna have to take, but you're already moving forward with your nursing, and that's terrific. Very stable industry, lots of demand for it, decent pay. I think you're heading in the right direction. It'll just be a matter of figuring out how can you diversify that to some extent. Maybe you can write some material and sell products related to raising a large family, because there are probably a lot of people out there that would be very interested in seeking the knowledge that you guys gained during your time as parents. Anyway, I appreciate your viewership very much. Make sure you stay tuned to what we're doing. Just don't spend a lot of time on it right now, and then circle back once you have the $500 in cash flow. Guys, I hope this helped some of you. If you want me to answer some of your questions on video, then please make sure you submit them. I am also gonna be starting another contest, and I don't have the specifics figured out quite yet, but it's gonna be cold, hard cash, baby. We're gonna be sending somebody actual dollars. We're thinking $500. It's only gonna go to the active. We want to reward our cash flower community and just say thank you. And so for that, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.